How's it going? Yo, what's popping, guys? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? All right. Okay. So, uh, yeah, Trader is frozen. I think. I don't know. I think it's back up. I don't know. Let's find out right now. Okay. But yeah. So today, I know a lot of you guys probably weren't expecting me to get on this morning. I kind of thought about it yesterday. I'm like, you know what? Why not try at least watching the markets? I don't know if I'm gonna get a trade or not. If there's a setup, then sure. But I'm gonna try to get on for the first 30-ish, 40 minutes of market open. See if anything interesting comes along. If there's nothing interesting, I'll get off, plain and simple, and come back during FOMC at 2:30. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan for now. Now is TradeVid still down? Or the thing is, I think that orders are still going through. It's just the candles aren't moving, right? No, like there's no orders going through. No. Oh, oh damn. It's a blank screen. Nah, for me, I see the charts. I just don't see like every time I refresh it, the chart refreshes. You know what I mean? Like it's the actual chart. You know. Now, I mean, what do you guys want to do? Do you guys want to try? Hold on. Let me put this up here. Do you guys want to try waiting for it to see if it comes back on, or do you guys just want to come back for FOMC? I guess yeah. My trader is fine. I don't even think anyone's trader is fine. It's not working. Tops is fine. Yeah, Tops. Remember, Tops is not really like with TradeVid. I'm gonna give it a few minutes. I'm gonna see. I mean, I don't want to start up a stream, have over 600 of you guys join, and be like, okay, well, never mind, we're gonna get off. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give it a few minutes. I mean, regardless, we don't really have much of a setup. I hope we don't miss a setup because of TradeVid being down. But yeah, my TradeVid and TradingView is fucked. Okay, and maybe that's just your network issue. TradingView works fine. TradingView is working fine. It's TradingView. It's kind of just a little bit frozen. But yeah, I mean, I don't want to have to start. I just don't want to start the stream and be like, okay, guys, never mind. You know what I mean? No, TradingView is fucking up too. For real? In what sense? Mine is working just fine, at least from what I'm noticing. Can you do commentary? I mean, I could try. Like I said, I kind of want to get rid of commentary and just do a little for good, but you know. Try to enter on paper. Your fills are extremely delayed. Okay, yeah, so I won't even bother trying to enter. Oh man, okay. I'm really hoping that they're able to fix it like soon then. In the meantime, let me just go live on YouTube. What's up, YouTube guys? What's going on? A little bit of an issue going on right now. With all of us actually. But yeah. Let me go ahead and just put out that I'm live on YouTube, you know, just in case. You know, you never know. Okay, let me just double check. Oh no, we're selling off. No, we're going to a setup. Trade me, please come back right now, please. Guys. Please come back soon, please. Because what I was hoping to do, guys, is my plan was, okay, try to get on during the AM session, try to get on during the PM session. If you get a trade during the AM session, don't get on during the PM session because you're already green. You know what I mean? That was my plan. But TradeVid had other plans. Look, if TradeVid's going to be down, at least don't sell off. Maybe sell off when it's back up. Because what I was going to tell you guys coming to market open was a pretty plain and simple setup. It would be pretty much take out this low, watch for the reaction based off the exact 40-point bullish rally gap mark. If we inverse it, we have room for lower. If we don't, then, you know, oh, wow, we might. It's working on mobile. No, I'm not going to trade on mobile. I'm good off that. I'll just wait till it comes back up, bro. I mean, if it's not back up, then I guess we'll just wait for the next setup. I mean, to be fair, if we don't get anything in the morning, we do have FOMC later, which is going to be risky. Obviously, it's FOMC, it's news. But we could try. You know what I mean? We could try. But yeah. We start TradeVid? Okay, but let me... Hold on, let me... I think it was scene 2. Yeah, there you go. Okay, restart. All right, let me see if it's working. Nah, it's not working. Like, what happens is you restart it, and it will load the chart. It'll load the chart how it is now, but it won't move the candle. It will just refresh the candle. It will show you where the candle is at right now. So, so yeah. The best thing we could just really hope for here is we don't sell off, because that's the only setup that we have. We don't have anything to upset. So if we go up, then it's whatever. Who cares? You know what I mean? But if we go down, that's when the problem kind of starts, because we have a pretty good setup. Now, one thing I'm gonna tell you guys, now that I have most of you guys in here, over 700 of you guys, pay attention, please. I don't want you guys looking lost. All right. So today's game plan was, I was gonna stream during the AM session, which is why we're on right now, and we're gonna stream during the PM session at 2:30 p.m. EST. All right, guys. Now, for the AM session, I was really only planning on being live for about 30-40 minutes. Why do I say this? Well, because typically you guys know, for FOMC days, before FOMC starts, the markets are known to be pretty choppy. Why? Due to anticipation. No one is trying to buy, no one is trying to sell before FOMC happens. They do all of the buying and selling after FOMC or during FOMC. All right, guys. So pretty much right now, since I was planning on trading only the first 30 minutes of market open, if we're not getting any action, and if TradeAway is down for the first 30 minutes of market open and we can't trade it, I'm just not going to be on, or at least for now. I mean, I don't know. I'm hoping it comes back on soon. It's only been 10 minutes. But yeah, that was pretty much the game plan for today. We stream for the first 30-40 minutes of market open. If we don't see anything, okay, then we get off. We stay cash until later on during FOMC, and we try to catch the move there. But yeah, first of all, this open is pretty boring, which you can't really be surprised on an FOMC day. And TradeAway is down, which is actually pretty surprising, because TradeAway has barely ever gone down. All right, but shit happens. I mean, but yeah. All right. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what to say. I mean, the only thing I'm kind of bummed out about is I don't want to send a notification saying, "Oh, guys, I'm live," and we're doing absolutely nothing. I don't want to waste your guys' time, nor mine. So I'm hoping we get something soon, or at least trade if it comes back up. But yeah, we'll see. Let me see what's going on in the chat. A lot of people are saying they can't hear me. David already know. I'm just not talking, bro. But yeah, TradeAway is still down, so. How long are we giving it? I'm gonna give it to 10. If either TradeAway is not back up by 10 or the markets are moving by 10, I'm getting off. Do you use the indicator on both models? No, I personally prefer the indicator on pure IFEGs. I don't really trade continuation models all that often anymore. I do like them, but are you live trading FOMC? Yes, I've said it a trillion times. Yes. Today I will be live for FOMC. What time is FOMC? It starts at 2, but the actual FOMC move starts at 2:30. So I will be live at 2:30, not at 2. Because at 2, yeah, you can get on, but I'm not gonna trade the 2 p.m. move. I'm gonna be trading the 2:30 move. Why will we not be looking for longs? Because TradeAway is down, bro, and we don't have a setup nor a bias. Like literally everything we need is missing. David, can you explain how to trade the evals in a single trader news? It's pretty simple. Just size a little bit heavy and hold the whole way until you pass. Would you recommend trading FOMC on a PA? No, definitely not. Definitely not. David, can you fix our trade rate? I'm trying, bro. Literally everything that we need is missing. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, bro, the whole broker itself is missing, bro. we can't get a trade even if we wanted to, bro. Why is FOMC a big deal? What happens? FOMC is inflate. No, FOMC is interest rates. Interest rates is a big deal. It happens once a month, so every month when FOMC happens, it's a pretty big deal. It's hike rates, interest rates, all that stuff. Yeah. From what I'm seeing right now, TradingView and TradeView are both delayed and stuck. TradingView is not delayed, from what I'm seeing at least. I don't know. How come both TradingView and TradeView are delayed today? Yeah, I don't know. It's probably Q2 not trading. Not at least not this morning. I mean, I'm sure TradeView should be back up by FOMC. I'd be very surprised if it's not. Very surprised. But I mean, we'll see. We'll see. You know, shit happens. Yo, why is the live muted? Guys, I'm gonna restart my stream. Hold on. I know it's not for a lot of you guys, but it is for a lot of you guys, so I'm gonna restart the stream. Just join back. It's simple. It takes 3 seconds. In fact, you guys don't even have to leave. Just stay in the call. Hold up. One sec. All right, I'm back. You see? Simple. You guys didn't even have to leave. Okay. There you go. Back to the screen share, just like nothing happened. All right. I'm assuming now you guys can probably hear me, right? Fixed. You guys can hear me. Everything a-okay? Audio working? Okay, perfect. You see? Simple. All right, guys. Like, just click join stage, boy. It's one button. Like, you'll be fine. You'll live. All right, back to let's see what we got here. I can hear you from the beginning. The thing is, okay, on Discord, for some reason, when there's a lot of people on the stage, it bugs out. Like, I don't know why. It's a Discord issue. So the way to fix it is I have to restart the stream. There's a buy setup, David. Bro, we can't take it, bro. I don't know what part you guys don't understand. Trader is down. We can't take it. The whole reason why I'm on right now is because I'm waiting to see if TraderView comes back up by 10. If TraderView is not back up by 10, I'm getting off until 2 p.m. EST or 2:30 till FOMC starts. Simple as that. But is it valid? I mean, not really. I mean, we don't have a buy in the first place, and the markets aren't really doing much either. Everything today just looks like a mess. Like, I would just say, just maybe stay away until something really good comes along. Mine is working fine. Let me refresh my trading view and see if it's. I mean, my trading view, see if it's working good. Nope, still down. I thought the London low had to be taken out. No, we don't have a London low tonight. I mean, wait. Yeah, we did. I mean, yeah, if you want to work with this London low, yes, the setup actually looks pretty valid. But yeah, if your broker is working, then if you like the setup, yeah, you can take it. We're moving quite a bit actually. Measuring that 15-minute candle. Unfortunately, I can't take it, or in fact, most of us can't take it. Because yeah, trade is done. So I'm not gonna bother really like. I mean, I don't even think we're gonna hold the setup up in the first place. So yeah, no, we don't have a setup anymore. But yeah, what a morning. David, just get off. I'm gonna give it till 10. I'm gonna give it a what? 13 more minutes. If there's nothing in 13 minutes, I'm getting off until 2:30. First of all, the markets are moving. I'm not gonna be trading the market before FOMC, and trade is down. Don't risk this weak spot. I mean, no, dude. Like I said, even if I wanted to, I can't. And today I'm gonna be sizing late regardless, probably like 3 to 5 micros. And also during FOMC, if I get a trade, maybe like 3 micros. I'll probably look to make like $100, $200, or whatever. Why should we not trade FOMC with a PA account? Because you're trading news. You're trading literally nothing chart wise. You're just trading a gamble. I mean, if you don't care about that, then you could trade it. I never say you can. I just don't suggest it. David, just get off and chill until later. Yeah, I am. I am. I'm gonna give it some minutes. I'm gonna see if TradeVit even comes back up. That's pretty much what I'm looking to see. What's your equity blast? Currently, it is at 6954546.40. Why is it even down? I don't know. It's probably just like a little network issue. I say we got volume. Yeah, I mean we have volume. I mean, yeah, the markets are moving weird. Like we're moving by the tick. I mean, to be fair, yeah, one of the biggest brokers out there is down, so most people can't trade. So that's probably why the markets aren't really moving. But obviously for the brokers that are up, yeah, the markets are moving something. You know what I mean? They're not moving crazy. They're moving by like 1 or 2 points, which typically is a lot more in the first 30 minutes. It's typically like 5-10 points per second. But yeah, no, we're trying to move. You know what I mean? Wasn't TradeAway tweaking out yesterday too? No, I think TradeAway was fine yesterday. At least for me. But that's not why the markets are moving. Well, I don't know. I don't know, bro. I don't move the markets. That's just like a little educated guess from me. It was down for a few seconds. Yesterday, I mean, I took a trade off open yesterday. I didn't really have an issue. I did have one. I did have an issue on Monday though, for like 5 seconds, but it came back up just like nothing happened. No, I wasn't yesterday, Marcel. That was on Monday. Oh, session disconnect. Oh, I was about to say, did TradeAway go down? No, it's my laptop. Yeah, TradeAway was fine for me too yesterday. How did you build that kind of equity? I mean, dude, I do it all on live. I do it all on live, bro. Um, Everything that you see me doing, all done live. You guys don't see me full porting. You guys don't see me oversizing. Yeah, I'll have those days where I have a big loss here and there, but shit happens. But dude, I just build it up slowly, bro, with time. It's back. Oh yeah, it is. Wait, let me refresh real quick. Wait, TradeAway is back, kind of. Oh no, never mind. Never mind, bro. It's trying to come back. I just refreshed and it went back to being broken. But yeah, my equity though. What was your equity again? 69546.40. It's working now. Yeah, it is, but my price isn't moving. Like my candle's moving, but my price isn't. It's still stuck at 26245.50. It's kind of working. Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't trust it just yet. Yeah, just take a chill pill. You know what I mean? Relax, relax. I know you full port off camera. Maybe once or twice. I did full port my top accounts. I will not deny that. From the top step challenge, I wasn't really planning on using my top step anymore, so I kind of just full ported them in hopes to make like $10,000 or something. I blew them. So yeah, don't do that. Trader is moving, yeah, but it's not fully up yet. It kind of looks a little bit broken. The 5-minute candle is red when the 5-minute candle is green on TradingView. And price is still stuck at 26,245. So I wouldn't trust it yet. Just hold on. Just wait. Close the browser and restart. All right, bet. Nope. I mean, it's like partially working. How do you refresh? Bro, just refresh the page, bro. Yeah, this is perfect conditions to full port. Yep, 100%, bro. I'm gonna go back to sleep, come back. Yeah, bro, don't even stress it, bro. Don't even stress it. Is FOMC like CPI where if you place a buy stop order, you can get no drawdown? No. No. FOMC is like CPI in terms of volume, not like CPI in terms of movement. Like it has CPI volume. Like you're gonna see big candles. You're just not gonna see instant candles. They're just gonna be very fast. Traders back up? Not all the way. Not all the way. I wouldn't trust it yet. I'll take it a few more minutes to see, if everything's back up and then go from there. What if we trade with a P after the news comes out, like how you're saying, if it starts at 2? No. FOMC lasts the whole afternoon. It starts at 2 and it lasts till like 4 or 5. There's no trading after FOMC. Your after FOMC will be during Asia. David, it's your time to become our broker. Bro, that's way too much stress, bro. I have seen so many influencers try to open up prop firms or brokers or whatever, and it never goes right. and it just kills credibility for them. So I'm not, maybe not. I'll just stick to alerting because that's what I do. Bro, CJ. Let me see. Black, can you explain how drawdown works for Apex and contract sizing? Yeah, drawdown is pretty much the amount of money you could lose on the account. It's pretty much that simple. And in contract sizing, it's really up to you. It's your preference. Whether you want to trade with, I don't know, 10 micros, 25, I don't know, something. You know. My trade rate started to work out of nowhere. Yeah, it's moving. Like I said, I wouldn't trust it because if you guys look at your price, let me ask you guys, where is your price currently sitting at? Is it at 25,245.50? Like without moving, or 25,245.25? Yeah. Same here. So I wouldn't trust. Yeah, although the candle is moving, I don't really think the orders are on track yet. So yeah, no, I wouldn't execute orders. Plus, the market isn't moving in the first place. I mean, we're kind of chopping here. I mean, we're not even moving in the first place. Yeah, I'm not lying to you guys. Like I said, I'm gonna give it to 10. If we don't see a spike at 10, I'm getting off into 2. Now, I will apologize. Well, kind of. You guys know I don't like getting on stream if I know nothing's gonna happen. Obviously, I didn't really expect Trader to be down or the markets to be choppy like this. So my bad on that. You know what I mean? And nothing to trade anyway. Yeah, 100%. I mean, hopefully for FOMC we get something. You know what I mean? Now I'm gonna do a quick poll. Actually, I'm not gonna make it because I know you guys are gonna do it. I was gonna ask how many of you guys are gonna trade FOMC today. Most likely all of you. You're not trading FOMC? Oh, okay. Today's evals, yeah. Guys, if you're gonna be trading FOMC today, please, if you can, do evals. I don't suggest trading PAs on FOMC. It's way too risky. Your stop loss is non-existent, and if things go south, they will go very south. So yeah, if you guys want, I would highly suggest just do evals. And if you do evals, you don't even have to oversize because these candles they move. We're talking over 100 points per minute. So if anything, you could probably size like, I don't know, 7 to 10, and you should still be pretty good to even pass your eval. All right, guys. So what's the stop loss, anyways? Yeah, you're right. But yeah, aren't you trading with the PA though? Maybe a few, but I'll do like 3. I can't buy evals. I'm kind of stacked. I'm kind of stacked and loaded right now. So yeah. And worst case, I just get on to watch it. I mean, I'll probably take a trade for you guys to alert it, or at least to so you guys follow along. But I'll probably do like 3 micros. I mean, I've done it before. How many times do I have? I have 20. I just don't use all 20. Are you gonna take a setup or just going off momentum? No, FOMC, dude. FOMC is news. When you're trading news, no setup ever. Like, bro, Powell's not gonna be like, okay, guys, so interest rates are pretty bad right now, but we're not gonna say that because we have a bullish reality gap. So interest rates are pretty good. So let's make the market go up. No, he doesn't give a shit about the charts. He doesn't care about your gap. He doesn't care about your lines. He doesn't care about your trend line. All right, or your supply and demand or whatever. He doesn't care about that. All right, whatever he says, the markets are gonna react no matter what. All right. So when you're trading FOMC or CPI, you're not gonna wait for a fair value gap to get inversed. You're gonna wait for what's it called? You're gonna wait for the momentum to kick in. Once the momentum kicks in, then you go with the momentum. As simple as that. So for example, let's say Powell starts talking about interest rates and he says it's a 3.75 hike rate or something. You know what I mean? What tends to happen is, the markets are that's I think pretty bearish or something. I don't know. Whatever it is, the markets are gonna start moving. Once we start seeing momentum kick in, we're gonna try to trade with that momentum, and then we catch the move. We catch our share of the move. Obviously, we're not trying to catch the whole move. If you want to, by all means, go ahead. But I'm not. You know what I mean? I'm gonna try to get like a few $100 from it. A good share about it. From it, and just take it. You know what I mean? A quick scalp. That's it. That's what I've done with BTI. It's just been there. Holding right now. Speaking of, JPQ is literally at all-time highs as we speak. Like we have been. I don't know if you guys are still holding JPQ. I mean, I don't see why you would sell. But if you guys got in with me all the way down here, dude, wow, we are green. Let me see. I closed all my trades on the mobile app and they're still running. Uh-oh. That's not good. Uh-oh. What was your biggest win on FOMC? I don't know. I have definitely caught hundreds of points during FOMC. I just don't size heavy on it, so I probably don't make as much. Is Trader Base still down? Yeah. Yeah, guys. I'm gonna get off. I think we're all gonna get off. I mean, what? First of all, the markets are moving. Trader Base. Like I said, guys, before you guys get off, hold on. I'm gonna be live trading or live streaming. I'm gonna start my stream at exactly 2:30, maybe a little bit soon, like 2:20 or something. 2:30, 2:20 around there. All right, guys. We're gonna be trying to trade FOMC. If a setup comes along throughout the day, I'm not gonna trade it. I don't trade before FOMC. I don't even trade on FOMC days normally, but today I am planning on streaming. So I will be live back in the charts at 2:30 p.m. EST. Hopefully by then Tradevate is back up. Right now Tradevate actually went back down, so it's not working again. So yeah, I would completely get off the charts. Do not be that person, trying to trade this. All right. Well, you can, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, like I said, guys, I'm gonna get off. I don't really have a point to be on. I mean, once again, we can't trade even if we wanted to. The markets aren't moving. We don't have a setup. We don't have a bias. We don't have anything. Literally anything that we should need for the charts, we're missing. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to bed. Until 2:30, and then we trade something that's moving. Hopefully, Tradevate is back up by then. All right, guys. So I'm stuck in the trade. Well, I mean, dude, I don't know what to tell you, bro. We've been talking about Tradevate being down for the last 30 minutes, bro. I don't know why you guys aren't I don't know why you guys are trying to trade this. I don't know what to tell you, bro. You kind of did to yourself. It won't let me trade on NinjaTrader and Lucid. Well, NinjaTrader is the owner of Tradevate. So if Tradevate is down, then probably NinjaTrader is as well. Yeah, like, bro, if I'm telling you guys that Tradevate is down, why you guys are still trying to find ways to trade, bro? Like, just wait, bro. Like, it's not hard, bro. You know what I mean? It's pretty common sense. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm gonna get off and I'll be back at 2:30. All right, guys, 2:30 p.m. EST, Eastern time. All right, guys. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna get off. My bad for no trades. I mean, to be fair, there's not much that we could have done even if we wanted to. But yeah, hopefully the markets are back to normal and moving by 2:30. All right, guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys then. All right, guys. Peace out, guys. I'll see you guys later today then. All right, peace out, guys. Peace. And YouTube, guys, I will be streaming later today as well. Don't worry. I'm not going to be doing a premium only stream for FOMC. I'm really thinking about turning off the delay for you guys as well. I do want you guys to be catching the same move as me today. And you guys know typically I do stream with a 2-minute delay on YouTube because obviously you guys know I put out all of my non-delayed content in the premium. But today, for FOMC, I will be turning off the delay for you guys so we all catch the move together. All right, guys. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Obviously, Tradevate is down, as you all may know, and the charts are barely even moving. All right, and even if they are moving, I'm not really planning on catching a trade before FOMC even starts because I mean I don't have a point. You know what I mean? Like it's just probably gonna chop out and be very slow. So I'd rather just stay away from whatever market we have today, which is horrible. And just come back during the PM session at 2:30 p.m. EST. All right, when FOMC starts or when Powell starts speaking. All right, guys. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get off, and I'll see you guys later today. Remember, no delayed stream, so I'm really hoping to see you guys in here. All right, guys. But yeah, anyway, other than that, I'll see you guys later then. All right, guys. Peace out, guys.